Hello and welcome to Weather First. And today I'll be talking about the Climate Prediction Center's prediction on outcome of temperatures. It will be the 6 to 10 day outlook on temperatures, the 8 to 14 day outlook on temperatures, the 3 to 4 week outlook on temperatures, also the 1 month outlook and the 3 month outlook, both on temperatures. Will also do the same for the precipitation. So stay tuned and we'll check this out what the Climate Prediction Center has in store. And what does the Climate Prediction Center have in store? Let's look at as I'm trying out my new Samsung, um, my Samsung projector screen here and seeing how well this works out. And it's very clear, it's very nice, very good. And let's take a look at temperature here as we can zoom down. Do I click on it here? And for the 6 day, the 10-day outlook, it was issued May 25th, 2025, and it's valid through May 31st through June 4th of 2025. And as you can see, Washington State and around the nation, you can kind of see the 6 day. It's really warm in the mid to upper west, and then more below normal as we go toward the east and the southeast. So kind of interesting there, except when you get down to the Florida area and southern eastern extreme toward the Gulf of America of Texas there. But that looks like the 6 to 10 day outlook. Let's go back. So I'm trying this, so bear with me here. And let's look at the temperature 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. And look at there. We have above normal temperatures. This was issued May 25th, 2025, valid through June 2nd to June 8th. And you can kind of see kind of where the temperature outlook's kind of a little bit different. But there you can see kind of interesting some of the hot spots up toward Wisconsin area, Minnesota areas near the Great Lakes above normal, and kind of interesting a little bit below normal where we hit down to I'd say Arizona east into New Mexico and Texas and Oklahoma and a little bit of Louisiana. Kind of interesting there. So let's take a look. We'll go back. I'm telling you, this thing is working real great. I love it. Here's a 3 to 4 week outlook, and you can see equal chances, what I call a 3-3-3 split, a 33% split of either above normal or below average. And you can see this was issued May 23, 2025, and valid through June 7th through June 20th. So it's going to be interesting because, here in the Pacific Northwest, as we get into June, we could get in that June gloom situation, or officially, the summer doesn't start till usually the day after 4th of July. So we'll see how well that turns out here in the Pacific Northwest. But elsewhere, you can kind of see kind of what is the Climate Prediction Center is having in store. Even look at Alaska above normal up there. That's kind of interesting there. So then we'll go back and then we'll go. That was 3 to 4. Let's go. Whoopsies. Hope I didn't. I did something there. Let's hope this turns out well. We'll go to 1 month outlook for temperature. And here it is. This was issued May 15th, 2025, valid for the month of June. You can see just everywhere pretty much staying on average above normal, except for up near the Great Lakes up there. But it just pretty much is going to be above normal. So expect probably pretty nice toasty temperatures for this time of year. So then we go there, and then we go down to 3 months outlook. And as it goes over, this is pretty fast speed. Thank you to Comcast or Xfinity for my internet speeds. But anyways, issued May 15th, 2025, valid June, July, and August. And look at those temperatures, especially in the Pacific Northwest, even the Southwest. Oh wow, look at that. So it looks like it's going to be toasty all the way around. and that will be very interesting. So as we go back, we'll go and take a look at the precipitation here, and this will be the 3 month outlook. Um, and here we go, and it looks like we're gonna be in for below normal in the Pacific Northwest, and easy as we go toward the east into Montana and North Dakota, it's interesting. And then above normal on the East Coast, equal chances as you go a little bit in the west of the East Coast there. It's very interesting, kind of interesting how they do this. This was valid May 15, 2025, and or issued, excuse me, May 15, 2025, valid through June, July, and August. So that's very interesting to see that. So we'll go back and then we'll go in a reverse order here as we go the 1 month precip. We take a look here. And issued May 15, 2025, valid for the month of June. And you can kind of see we have the equal chances for the month of June. And like I said, the 33, 33, 33 split. So 33 chance of below, 33 chance equal, and then 33 chance above. I like to use that. I don't know if they use it, but I think it's kind of cool. And then as we go to the East Coast, above normal predicted. And we go to the 3, the 4, and the for precip will go on down. Excuse me. May 23rd, 2025 issued, valid through June 7th through June 2025. You can kind of see, kind of interesting how they do that. And then as we go down to Florida and that area down there above normal, so probably could have maybe some thunderstorms down there, some squalls coming down there. That'll be interesting there. And then below normal there as we get toward Idaho and part of Utah and Montana. So then we go to the next one, to 8 to 14 for precip. Let's see if it'll do it here. I think I might have clicked on it wrong. Stand by as I learn how to use this thing. It's a journey. So let's go back. Oh, I'm learning how to use this guy, so bear with me. Okay, let's go. I think we're at let's go this way. There we go. Now I should get it correct. Just learning how to use this thing. Anyways, issued May 25th, 2025. We have valid through June 2nd to June 8th. And you can see really kind of interesting the Pacific Northwest to Washington, Oregon, and California, at least the northern tip below for precip. So we're going to go into that warmer light pattern. And then above normal as we go east and into the southwest, and then as we get to kind of the Midwest into the eastern part, it's kind of interesting to see near normal to below. Kind of interesting. And above normal in Florida. So that's interesting there. So then as we back out of there and we go to their final slide, and here we go. Right there, 6 to 10 day outlook. Issued May 25th, 2025, valid through May 31st to June 4th. You can kind of see kind of the same similar situation except below normal, extending to the Great Plains and then down. And it's just kind of interesting how this is and what they're predicting. So definitely stay tuned to the weather here on the YouTube channel Weather First. And thanks for joining me on the Weather First YouTube channel, where I will predict weather for basically SeaTac, another outlet to get your weather forecast here for SeaTac. I just wanted to go through over what the Climate Prediction Center is saying and what they predict. Nothing written in stone, but just kind of a general kind of idea of kind of what they're thinking. With all the information they are able to obtain and analyze. And so I'm just going to be basically doing the weather forecast for the SeaTac area and other surrounding areas. If you have an area that you like to have a forecast, let me know, and maybe I can try to give you that forecast. but just something I'm interested in doing, and it's going to be exciting to see this channel grow and to get forecasts on here on a regular basis, and maybe I can finally get someone to join this team and help me out because I'll be doing this starting in the morning, but then hopefully I get someone to do the nights and weekends and all that stuff. So stay tuned and have a blessed day, and everyone take care.